Hello to all of the students. Students, in the previous lectures, you learned about the various polymerization and their mechanisms. We see about the addition polymerization, condensation polymerization, ionic polymerization, and copolymerization with their mechanisms and examples. In this lecture, students, you have to learn about the coordination polymerization. You know the process of polymerization. A large number of monomers get bind with each other to form a long chain high molecular weight compound that is known as polymer. In this polymerization process also there is a joining or binding of monomers, but here for that a different type of catalyst is necessary. Because coordination polymerization is a polymerization in which the polymer form has higher stereospecificity. Due to this, a special type of catalyst is used. That catalyst used in coordination polymerization is Ziegler-Natta catalyst. This catalyst is used for the preparation of mainly isotactic polypropylene, that is indicated by abbreviation IPP, and high density polyethylene, that is known as HDPE. This catalyst is used during the process of coordination polymerization. These are the special type of catalyst that provides the area for the growth of chain of monomers. Now let us know about the Ziegler-Natta catalyst, that is also known as Ziegler-Natta catalyst. It contains the cation, and the cation belongs to group 1, 2, 3 of the periodic table. For example, triethyl aluminium Al(C2H5) to the base 3, and a halide of transition metals from the periodic table of groups 4 to 8. That means Al(C2H5) to the base 3 and transition metal halide like TiCl4, that is titanium tetrachloride, is used as a Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Actually, these catalysts are mixed. Both of these components are mixed together to form Ziegler-Natta catalyst. How they works, we will see after some time. These catalysts are used in the preparation of high density polyethylene. While preparing high density polyethylene, the ethylene gas is bubbled in a suspension containing triethyl aluminium and titanium tetrachloride in hexane, but the temperature should be normal room temperature. Students, during this polymerization, actually the monomer get bind with the metal atom, and successive addition of monomers takes place at the position of metal only. Therefore, this metal cation plays important role in the coordination polymerization. In this polymerization process, the monomer get bonded with metal atom. Due to this, the polymer formed during this process have a high stereospecificity. At the last stage of the mechanism of polymerization, the coordination polymerization step is terminated by using water or hydrogen or any aromatic alcohol or metals. Now students, let us see about the mechanism of coordination polymerization. In coordination polymerization, Ziegler-Natta catalyst is used, and Ziegler-Natta catalyst is a mixture of triethyl aluminum and titanium tetrachloride. On mixing these two components, they give rise to the formation of ClAl, CS3CH2 to the base 2, and the main component CS3CH2TiCl3. Now this CS3CH2TiCl3 initiate the addition of monomers with the help of metal titanium. Let us see how the mechanism takes place. The first step from the previous slide is also shown here. AlCH3CH2 to the base 3 plus TiCl4 gives rise to the formation of ClAlCH2CH3 to the base 2 and CS3CH2TiCl3. Now, to initiate the reaction mechanism here, from Ziegler-Natta catalyst CH3CH2TiCl3 and the first monomer, that is CH2 double bond CH2 ethylene monomer, now get bonded with titanium. In such a way, this CH2 double bond CH2, the first monomer, get bonded with this titanium or suspended to the titanium. You can also use this word. In such a way, first monomer of ethylene get binded with metal titanium. This metal titanium is useful here from Ziegler-Natta catalyst. It is a cation. It is useful for the successive addition of monomers to form long chain polymer. In the next step, you can see that the reaction forwards in above direction. In this slide, you can see that in the previous, the attachment of this ethylene was with Ti takes place. It gives rise to the formation of this one. During this formation, you can see that this group CH2 double bond CH2 get transferred between titanium and carbon of CH2 and it get introduced like here. In such a way, CH3, CH2, 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 TiCl3 is formed. In the next step, the another molecule or another monomer of ethylene CH2 double bond CH2. Now again, as previous, it get bonded with titanium like this. In the next step, again this ethylene monomer get adds here and it gives rise to the formation of this long chain of CH3, CH2, 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 TiCl3. So students, in such a way, the successive addition of ethylene monomer molecule takes place with the help of cation or with the help of the method of binding or suspension of ethylene groups with cations. Long chain polymer is obtained. In the next step, again, the another monomers of ethylene get suspended or binded with the metal to form long chain compound. The last step is actually termination, which is terminated by water or hydrogens. In such a way, the mechanism of coordination polymerization takes place, but the most important role plays during this mechanism or formation of coordination polymers is the metal atoms from Ziegler-Natta catalyst.